Welcome to Gear Grinders. Today we're diving into one of the most capable dual sport machines on the planet, the 2026 KTM 690 Enduro R. Known for its raw power, versatility, and rugged endurance, the 690 Enduro R has long been a favorite for riders who want one bike that can conquer both the highway and the hardest trails. For 2026, KTM sharpens the formula with updates that make this legend even more impressive. Let's take a closer look. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 690 Enduro R carries KTM's unmistakable aggressive styling, with sharp bodywork and a race-inspired stance. New graphics and color updates highlight its ready-to-race DNA, while the slim seat and narrow tank keep the bike agile and rider-focused. A revised headlight design and durable plastics improve both form and function, making it just as striking in the city as it is on rocky terrain. Performance and powertrain. At the heart is KTM's signature 693 cubic centimeters LC4 single-cylinder engine, tuned for strong torque delivery and smoother throttle response. Mated to a 6-speed transmission with a slipper clutch and quickshifter, the bike balances brute power with refined control. The lightweight trellis frame, adjustable XPLOR suspension, and improved traction control ensure it can tackle everything from fast gravel roads to technical single-track, while remaining stable at highway speeds. Safety and technology. The 2026 model benefits from updated ride modes, cornering ABS, and enhanced traction control, giving riders more confidence in unpredictable conditions. A compact TFT display provides key ride data with improved readability, while LED lighting ensures visibility day or night. With refinements to electronics and ergonomics, KTM has made the Enduro R more approachable without losing its hardcore edge. Conclusion. The 2026 KTM 690 Enduro R proves once again why it's considered the ultimate big-bore dual sport. With its blend of raw performance, advanced tech, and unmistakable KTM style, it's ready for riders who demand versatility without compromise. Stay tuned to Gear Grinders for more reviews and first looks at the machines built to push boundaries.